Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I want to talk to you about Mantis Pro. Okay, so Mantis Pro is a program that allows you to use the Android interface with this game controller on basically any Android app. Okay, so first and foremost, the app is called Mantis Pro, okay, or Mantis Gamepad Pro. So I put it right here. I'm going to put in the link in the description below, of course, but I'm going to go to the Play Store first and show you the actual link. Okay, so I got the Pro version because the Pro version is legit the best, okay? This, if you get the Pro Pass, you get full gesture support, you get single-handed support, things like that, right? But this is definitely the best game mapper to date. I'm telling you, legit. You rarely get hacked, like you rarely get in trouble for using this type of controls, because I know that's like a big thing, like you getting banned on different things. But the main thing about this is that you get a virtual mouse pointer. That is the major key alert here, okay? Because this thing, you can use your mouse anywhere. I'm gonna make a couple videos on this, okay? But yes, a virtual mouse pointer. So I'm going to show you here. We're going to go to Mantis Gamepad Pro here, okay? And let's go to I don't know, let's do Call of Duty, okay? Call of Duty, that's a pretty well-known game, okay? Right? So we're on there right now. I just pressed the 2. Now look at this. I have a mouse, okay? You can legit have this on any app, any known to man. I'm gonna log in here. Hold on one second. Okay, so look, I'm in a Call of Duty match right now, right? And I'm gonna press the 2 thumbsticks again. And as you can see, there's my mouse here. I can click on multiplayer up top. I can hit the exit mark here. It's pretty seamless. And then whenever you want to go back to the controls, you can just press both of them and then it goes away. I'm gonna press here to go start, so we can start the matchup. But it's pretty cool how you can map things. So as you can see here on the top left, you can change the D-pad, the left stick, you can add buttons there. You can have the gestures, the scope, the MOBA, things like that. It's pretty cool. And you can have different phases. So, this is like a normal match phase, but if I wanted to make a new phase, then, it'll be different than others. So I'm going to show you how it works real time here. So there you go. As you can see, I'm on here. Everything is good here. I'm moving around, and the way I have it is, as you can see, this here, I have the left stick, the right stick, I have the buttons, and as easy as pressing the key here, and I can press Y, and you can move it around wherever you want to put it at, and you can make it bigger, smaller, things like that. You can exit if you don't need it. But let's go for a kill here, and then I'll show you something else. All right, there we go. We got 1 kill. All right, so now that we did that, we're gonna go back to the app here, and you can use the on-screen controls or the virtual mouse cursor on any of the games that you add here. You have to actually add the app on here, and it even works with system apps too, which is pretty cool. I think Mantis Pro is the best because of the virtual mouse, and I'm going to make another video on how to use a mouse natively on your actual Android. You can use it on your launcher, you can use it on any app, and just keep going with it, So yeah, you can literally download any app and put it on here and it will work.